Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting ready. We're finna go to the gun range and I'm getting ready. Trying to curl my hair and stuff. I'm looking at my stuff in the thing. But it's cute. I gotta find some new. I know I want this shirt and I gotta find some pants. I want some. Don't mind this. I gotta charge the camera too. It's on like 1%. So I'm finna do that. And then I'm gonna keep back with y'all 1 week when I finish getting ready and stuff. Y'all, we had the gun range. Yeah. We had this one. It's called Gun Gallery. I think I'm breaking my camera. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Like. Are we done? I didn't even shoot. I'm shot 2 times. Cause I'm not a shooter girl. I ain't like the gun. But really, I don't know what we're going on. Hope we go out to eat. I'm hungry. And it was $20 per person to shoot. That's expensive, and I only shot twice. They could have given me a discount, cause girl, I only wanted to shoot once. But yeah. Oh yeah, I dyed my wig. I dyed it ashy blonde. It look great, but it's cute, I guess. I put curls in it, but the curls filled up. And I did 2 heads today. I'm gonna show y'all. I posted on Instagram and Facebook. See, this is my fave. I did her. You can't even see it. Oh, there you go. I did her hair and I did my auntie hair. Okay, thank you. What was that? Yeah, I think it's a bullet on the floor, on the ground. But y'all, look at all the trees. Hey y'all, I literally just woke up thinking about 2023, like it's tomorrow. It's December 31st. And 2023 was a roller coaster. Like, it was so bad and then it turned good. Like, March, it was, But after that, it was good. Literally, like, the best 2023 ever. I just can't wait to see what 2023 gonna be like. 22 is good. I probably done mixed the numbers up. But yeah, y'all know what I mean. Like, it's a lot of stuff I done did in 2022. With my hair business. I've been happy. It's just a lot. It was fun. Can't wait to see what 2023 gonna be like. Let me tell you what time it is. It's 9:41. And I'm finna get ready. I gotta start the vlog off. We finna go shopping. I gotta charge the camera. I don't even got no extra batteries. I gotta charge it. But it don't take long to charge. I think it's dead. Like, it's literally on the last dead part. Like, it's saying dead. I need to charge it. But I'm gonna get up and get ready to do my hair. I didn't even tie my hair down. But yeah, I just wanted to start this vlog off. Like, I just woke up thinking about 2023 tomorrow. That's crazy. And I graduate. Like, 2023, I graduate. It's just crazy. It went by so fast. Yeah, but I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get ready. Whenever I do. I just let y'all know what I do and stuff. Y'all, I'm ready. Oh, I almost fell. I'm ready. Curl the hair. Got on this all black. sweatshirt and pants and jacket. And it's rainy. It's about to rain. Dad, look at my baby. He look a mess. And this is what time it is. Yep. 1:19. Yeah, it's raining. Let me show you the time. People, it's a line. Let me show y'all where we're going. We're going to the Nike store. This is my birthday.
Gun, I can't believe it. Yep.
That recorder. I'm finna try these on y'all. I think they're cute. Let me see.
Kayla.
What that?
Look.
I don't like them. Let's see. I think these too small. They look small, don't they?
What size you be getting? 10?
I got 8.5. And then,
Oh.
I'm gonna need 9.
So you ain't gonna be able to wear these
I'm gonna
either?
need 9. Oh wait, look at them. Feel them. They just tight.
45, like 14.
It ain't 9.
That's soft.
It's probably that thick side. Let me take it off.
What's up, son?
Yeah, I'm gonna need a 9.
A 9.
How fat my feet look?
Kayla.
They look small, don't they? I need
They
9.
do look small, but yeah,
I
you
need
need
9.
9. So you gonna need a 9 in these too.
They might do look different though. Let me try them on just in case.
There might be a 9 up there.
We made it. Ooh, my stick wobbling. We made it to Buffalo. Let's see what I want. They got too much to be here. They got a lot of pictures. Let me take a picture of these colors.
Kayla.
In my face. I think we got 3 things, y'all. Parmesan and barbecue something. Y'all, it's 11 o'clock. Let me pause the music. It's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. Ah! 2023 is almost here. Y'all, this our graduation year. Everything year. 18th year birthday. I have my birthday. I got Oreo with me, y'all. He bad. He bad. Look at me. I just hope he don't. Oh Lord. Oh, he ain't cool. He right here good. Oreo. Yeah, that's my dog. But it's about to be that time. I'm trying to find a song to play. I want to play a good song for the new year to hit. I don't know what song. I just think it's so hard. And I'm on the phone with Brady. Say, look at my friend with the curly head. Ooh, I don't even think I'm getting you in the thing. Oh, look at my friend. Don't he look like somebody off High School Musical. I don't know the boy name. But he got the curly hair. He look like yo. But I'm gonna get back with y'all. Once we got everything. I'm gonna be crying. I feel like I'm finna cry. I'm just so excited right now. Y'all, I'm just so excited. I don't know. I just get back with y'all. Happy New Year! It's 2023. My nose itch. But I just got up. I've been up. What time it is? Oh, it's 3. Y'all, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. January 1st, 2023, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh my god, what's wrong with the thing? Why so zoomed in? But I'm just up here looking for something to wear. Money. I'm doing the thing with envelopes. And I am really up there. Oh, I'm just there. I'm tired. Everybody up. I'm gonna go with everybody up in the house. I'll be back. I'll be back. Mom! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Oh, it's 12 o'clock! You smiling like you see?
Girl, you is.
Ma, it's New Year! It's 12!
Oh.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Y'all boy! Let me go back in my room. Woo! Come on, Ayo. Come on. Right! I don't want everybody up in the house. Happy New Year!